If you rely on your Plantronics Poly Voyager 5200 series, Voyager Legend, or Voyager Pro headset daily, you know how important comfort and sound clarity are. When the original earpiece starts to wear out, replacing it quickly becomes a priority. This replacement earpiece is designed to fit perfectly and improve your overall audio experience. What sets this replacement apart is its superior sound isolation and audio focus. Unlike worn-out originals that let in distracting background noise, this earpiece blocks outside sounds more effectively. That means clearer calls and less strain on your ears, especially during long drives or busy workdays. Installation is quick and hassle-free. You don't need any special tools or technical skills to swap out your old earpiece. Just pop the new one in and enjoy the improved fit and comfort right away. It stays securely in place, so you won't have to constantly adjust it throughout the day. Customers who have switched report a noticeable difference. One user said it's more comfortable and provides better noise reduction than the original part. Another praised how it saved them from buying a whole new headset, highlighting the value of this affordable $14 replacement. Keep in mind, this product is a replacement earpiece only, Bluetooth headset not included. But if your headset's electronics still work fine, this is a smart way to extend its life without extra cost or waste. If you're looking for a simple upgrade that delivers real benefits, better comfort, enhanced sound isolation, and easy installation, this replacement earpiece is worth a look. It's a practical solution that keeps your Plantronics headset performing at its best. Ready to improve your headset experience without breaking the bank? Try this replacement earpiece when you're ready and enjoy clearer calls and all-day comfort once again.